What's happening, family? As always, give thanks and praise to your creator. For you might conceive your creative being. And before you get some sleep or get a recess in my body, I can show you two clips here that happened just a couple of days ago. And you tell me that the earth is not going through a change for the betterment. This is three clips I'm going to show you here that's happening. A dust storm, a meteor that hit Iceland, and the dust storm that from Africa all the way to Spain and England. Now check this out. Okay, folks, here we go.
An asteroid struck the Earth over the weekend, hours after it was discovered. Designated 2022 EB5, the small rocky object impacted the planet on March 11 north of Iceland, according to numerous astronomers online. At just 3 meters wide, 2022 EB5 was around just half the size of an average male giraffe, which grows to be around 5-6 meters in height. As such, it was unlikely to do any damage if it had impacted the planet. The 2022 EB5 had harmlessly burned up in the atmosphere, and it is unknown if any residual fragments have actually survived intact. Some in Iceland have reported hearing a boom or seeing a flash of light around this time, and the international...
And now, folks, before I get going, I do not own the copyright to these videos. These videos for educational purposes only. Now, here's another clip of this dust storm. I tell you, folks, it's going to get better. Here we go. No, it's going to get better. Got to get better, folks.
Spain issued extremely poor air quality ratings for Madrid and a large swath of the country Tuesday after a mass of hot air from the Sahara dumped dust after crossing the Mediterranean. The National Air Quality Index qualified as extremely unfavorable, its worst rating, the capital and large parts of the southeast coast. Spain's weather service described the dust storm from the Sahara as extraordinary and very intense, while adding that it was unclear if it was the worst episode of its kind on record. The service forecast that the dust will continue to accumulate through Wednesday and could reach northwards as far as the Netherlands and northwestern Germany. Many Spaniards awoke to find a layer of red dust covering terraces, streets, and cars. The sky in the capital and other cities had a gritty tinge to them. Visibility in Madrid and cities like Granada and Leon was reduced to 2.5 miles, 4 kilometers, the weather service said. Emergency authorities have recommended citizens use face masks if they go outside, and avoid outdoor exercise. The wave of hot air has also affected the air quality in areas north of Madrid, as far west as in Spain's Canary Islands in the Atlantic Ocean, where these events are more frequent, and in the Balearic Islands in the Mediterranean. The Weather Service said that the mass of hot air from Africa, which was brought in by a storm that delivered some much-needed rain for drought-hit Spain, has also pushed up temperatures in some areas to 20 C, 68 F. Rubian del Campo, spokesman for Spain's Weather Service, said that while it was unclear if climate change had a direct link to this episode, the expansion of the Sahara Desert over the past...
Okay, folks, you know what's happening. You know that we're going for a big change on the earth for the betterment of the people, like I told you before. And that Ukraine war between those two white nations is all a distraction. It is all a distraction. Don't fall for the okie dokie. Here we go again, folks. Hang on there.
Skies in Europe, including parts of Spain, Germany, France, and Switzerland, turned orange after dust from the Sahara was carried away by storms. The orange glow was first spotted in southern areas of Spain on Monday, March 14th, with Madrid and Murcia among the places lit up. The dust storm is driven by winds from Storm Celia, which is affecting the Spanish-held Canary Islands.
Y estamos naranjas, rojos, o sea, no sé, ¿qué coño es esto?
Okay, folks, you get the pictures. You can do your research on that, and you can see what's going on. Like I said, I'm just here to spread the messages, folks. Don't kill the messenger now. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Remember, this video is only for educational purpose only. I do not own the copyright to these videos. Folks, that war is a distraction. Do not get caught up with that. That is their war. Said it before. Leave it over there. Let them deal with that. We got our own war to fight here. Until then, folks, peace out. One love.